Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn very interesting lesson making pots from third EVS looking around book. So let's start to read and understand making pots with the help of one story. Once there was a sparrow called Foodgoody and a crow called Bhanate. They were fast friends. One day Bhanate means crow said, "Oh Foodgoody." Foodgoody means sparrow. "If you lay eggs first, then I will eat them, and if I lay eggs first, then you can eat them." Agreed. Foodgoody also agreed. A few days later, Foodgoody laid an egg. Bhanate said, "Give me your egg. I will eat it. Do give it, give it, give it." Foodgoody was scared, frightened. She said, "Yes, but I want you to first go and wash your beak in the river." Bhanate went to the river bank and said to it, "Oh river." "Yes, brother," said the river. Bhanate said, "Oh river, please give me some water. With cold water, I will wash my beak. Eating the egg is what I seek." The river said, "But how will you fill water?" "Get a pot. First you bring pot, then you can fill water." Like that river said to Bhanate, means to that crow. Bhanate went to a potter and said, "Oh potter, please give me a pot. In the pot, I will get water from the river. With cold water, I will wash my beak. Eating the egg is what I seek." The potter said, "But how do I make a pot?" "Go and get some clay from the clay pit." "Without clay, I can't make a pot." Bhanate went to the clay pit and said to it, "Oh clay pit, please give me some clay. The potter will make a pot for me. I will fill water in the pot. With cold water, I will wash my beak. Eating the egg is what I seek." The clay pit said, "But how do I dig the soil?" "Get me a trowel from the blacksmith." Bhanate went to the blacksmith and said to him, "Oh blacksmith." Blacksmith said, "Yes, brother Bhanate, what do you want?" Bhanate said, "Please give me a trowel. The clay pit will dig out clay for me. With the trowel, I will get a pot made and get water in it. With cold water, I will wash my beak. Eating the egg is what I seek." The blacksmith said, "Sure, you can take the trowel, but do remember to return it." Bhanate took the trowel and went to the clay pit. It dug the soil and got some clay. The potter made a pot for him. Bhanate filled water in the pot and washed its beak. He then ran to eat Foodgoody's egg, means that sparrow's egg. By that time, the sparrow's egg hatched. A little bird came out of it and flew away, far away from Bhanate the crow. Students, with the help of this story, we have learned the process of making clay pots. Students, have you understood this story of Bhanate and Foodgoody? Bhanate said to Foodgoody, "If first you will lay eggs, then I will eat your eggs, and if first I will lay eggs, then you can eat my eggs." They both agreed, and sparrow lays eggs firstly. And now crow want to, means Bhanate want to eat that legs. But sparrow have used one idea to avoid these things, and his sparrow said to the Bhannate, first you want to wash your beak with fresh water. So crow Bhannate went towards the river, but river said, first you want to bring one pot to fill the water. So crow means Bhannate went towards the potter, but potter say, first you go to clay pit and bring some clay from there. But clay pit said, I want trowel to dig the clay. So you want to go to the blacksmith to bring that iron trowel. So Bhannate went towards the blacksmith. At last, with the help of potter, clay pit, then blacksmith, and trowel which is made by blacksmith, he had made the pot and fill river water in it and wash his beak with fresh water. By that time, that sparrow means Fudgudi hatched her eggs and flew away with her babies from that crow who want to eat her eggs. A bowl from a roll of clay. Knead some clay with water. Keep aside some clay mixed with water. This will serve as glue to bind two different pieces of kneaded clay. Take a part of the kneaded clay and roll it like a thick chapati. This will be the base of the bowl. Roll the rest of the kneaded clay like a snake. Fix the clay snake on the base. To make a pot as shown in the picture. Now we will see some questions and answers of the making pots. Why did the crow need a pot? The answer is, we already know. Crow needed a pot to fill water. He wanted to wash his beaks with water. Second number question, who all helped the crow to make the pot? Following things and people helped the crow to make the pot: blacksmith, trowel, clay pit, and at last potter. Now see question number 3. What things did the potter need? Potter needed clay from the clay pit. Are there utensils made of clay in your house? Which are these? Yes, there is a flower vase made of clay in my house. Now we will see question number 5. If someone gives you clay, will you be able to make some utensils from it? No, I will not be able to make utensils from it. Now we will see question number 6. What will happen if you store water in these pots overnight? If we will keep water in these clay pots overnight, then the clay will dissolve in water and the pot will break. Now we will see question number 7. We often keep water in a clay pot at home or in the school. Why do these pots not get spoiled by the water? Because these pots are baked in a kiln. Have you ever seen bricks or pots being baked in a kiln? No, I have never seen bricks or pots being baked in a kiln. Now see question number 9. If we had pots made only of clay and all of them had broken or got spoiled, what would we have done? we would have to make another pot again. Now we will see question number 10. Long ago, when people did not have any pots, what did those people do? When people did not have pots, they used leaves and shells of pumpkin to hold something. Why would people have made pots? They needed something to store water and milk, so they made pots. Imagine one day all the pots disappear from the world. What will happen in your house? Pots help us doing our work conveniently. We eat in a pot, store everything in pots, carry everything in pots. If pots disappear, our life will be in trouble. We cannot store anything. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos on NCERT classes.